battery replacement on Asus UX430U. Thank you, ma'am Dennis, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing a laptop battery is a smart and cost-effective solution when the device is still in good working order. By replacing the battery, you can restore the laptop's portability, improve its performance, and extend its overall lifespan without the need for a more expensive upgrade. It allows you to retain your current setup with all your data, software, and personal configurations while revitalizing your laptop's battery life and reliability. Additionally, battery replacement is a more sustainable choice, reducing electronic waste and supporting a more environmentally friendly approach. However, at PTT IT Solutions, we offer a professional and trustworthy laptop battery replacement service. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and techniques to ensure thorough, precise repairs, keeping your laptop's performance and longevity in mind. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your battery replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.